Hello guys, Flies by Aspin here. Stay with me for 10 seconds because this pattern might become your new confidence fly. It's a super simple pattern, it looks super realistic and you will catch ton of fish. There's a few elements in the video that you should watch so you can make it properly, so just come along. We are tying in the skin material in the back here. Alright, there we go. So we pull it backwards, meanwhile we tie it in here as close as possible to the back. We secure it and then we go back to the front because now we're going to change thread. We just wanted to basically secure the material here. We whip finish. And then we are going to put some super glue here, just like that, so it just sticks. We are putting the pink fluorescent thread here and we are going towards the back because we want the hotspot to be in the back here. It's going to look so amazing with the nymph skin, so we are going all the way to the back here to the skin and we'd make a few wraps here and then we just go back slowly up and back down a little bit and we go to the front. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that actually. So now I'm going to whip finish again. And now we're going to use a thicker thread. So I'm going to fast forward here, changing the thread. So this thread is a little bit thicker thread. I use this to build bodies. It's actually a Perdigon thread from Troutline, but I also use it for making bodies. So we go back here and we want to save a spot, of course, on the back there because that's the hot spot. And we build up a little bit there. That's completely fine. We do a whip finish again and then we're going to change to the first thread. And I will fast forward with that too, so it goes really fast. All right. So now we just basically want to tie the thread in because now we're actually going to use the material. Now the magic happens. So you want to pull hard because the more you pull, the more translucent it gets on the fly, as you can see here. So you want to pull a little bit extra. And then when you have reached the white part of the fly, you basically pull a little bit less and you get a more thicker color instead of having this translucent effect. So now we're just going to go to the front here and build up this body of the fly. And we do one more lap. So here we pull hard, one loose wrap first, hold it tight, one more wrap, and then we pull a little bit like that. Then we're going to cut the material. So we pull, cut, then we do a few more wraps here and pull tightly, just like that. All right, so if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and we will have a lot of fun together. So see you later.